Hello friends, this is Venkat AI. I am a teacher, e-learning specialist and educational content creator. Welcome to my new channel Venkat AI EduHacks. This channel is all about using EdTech and AI tools in education. AI can really make teaching easier and more effective. AI tools help teachers to improve their teaching. They also reduce the workload of teachers, so by that they can find enough time for creative planning. AI tools makes classrooms more interactive and interesting. They also enhance the student engagement during classroom activities. These tools allow the teachers to do personalized evaluation. That means by using these tools, teachers can know the strengths and weaknesses of each particular child. It helps the teachers to make a customized remedial plan for their betterment. AI tools not only help teachers. These tools can be used even in school administration. AI tools are helpful in attendance, fee collection, communication, report card generation, and timetable scheduling. Tuition teachers also have some benefits with these AI tools. Tuition teachers, they can make customized study plans, customized study materials, and customized tests for their students. Not only that, apart from their core subjects, they can even teach other subjects also easily using AI tools. Now, what AI tools can teachers use? Teachers can make use of tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Microsoft Copilot. These are general purpose AI tools, but they can be used for teaching purpose also. But there are some AI tools which are specially designed for educators, like Conmingo, Teachy, Magic School AI, EdCafe AI, and Indian versions like GenVerse AI. These tools are specially designed for teaching tasks. Most of these tools have free features. Teachers can make use of these free features to complete their day-to-day teaching tasks. AI tools can be used in different stages of teaching. Teaching usually has got three stages: pre-active stage, interactive stage, and post-active stage. Pre-active stage is all about planning. That is making annual plans, unit plans, lesson plans, and activity plans. So all sort of this planning can be done by using AI tools. The next one is interactive stage. That is the stage in which teaching is done. So for teaching purpose, we need teaching materials like PowerPoint presentations. We can make wonderful PowerPoint presentations in minutes by using AI tools. We can also make customized illustrations and images using AI tools. So the next is post-active stage, that is evaluation. So to conduct the tests, we need question papers. We can make multiple choice question papers or descriptive question papers using AI tools. By giving proper prompt and guidelines, we can make a perfect question paper. Now, you might be thinking, how do I make use of these AI tools? How do I know which AI tool is suitable for my subject or for my task? And how do I write a proper prompt to get proper results from an AI tool? Don't worry, I'm going to make detailed videos on how to use AI tools in day-to-day teaching tasks. So please subscribe to this channel and press notification bell to stay updated, and please share this video to your teacher friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching till the end. So get ready to make your teaching smarter with AI tools.